Hello friends, today we are going to study the delta function. Okay, delta function. So first we are study the definition of delta function. So what is definition of delta function? The definition of delta function is delta of x equal to limit epsilon tends to 0 delta raised to epsilon of x, where delta epsilon of x equal to 1 over epsilon, where epsilon by 2 less than x less than epsilon by 2. This is a definition for the delta function, or 0 elsewhere. Okay, this is a definition of delta function. If you plot this function, then you will get so draw and tell me, is it right or wrong? Delta function is look like this point is epsilon by 2, negative epsilon by 2, and this positive x epsilon by 2, and at x equal to 0 the function is what? Maximum. At x equal to 0 the function is maximum. Okay, next we are goes to properties of delta function. Okay, there is a various properties of function. Okay, next point is properties of delta function. Delta function. So what is properties of delta function? So delta function is even. First property is delta function is even. This is the first property of the delta function. Delta function is even. You know already, if the function is even means if the function is even means f of minus x equal to positive f of x. This is a definition for the even function. Okay, you already know in 12th standard. But what is the definition for the delta function? So delta of minus x which is equal to plus delta of x. This is a property of the delta function. Okay, second property of the delta function is what? Delta of x minus a equal to delta of a minus x. Means if you subtract a from x or a from minus x, then you will get equal result. Okay, this is the second property of the delta function. Third property of the delta function is also important. Integration a to b f of x delta of x minus x naught, where x naught is any number dx, which is equal to f of x0, where x0 is lies in between a x naught, a less than x naught less than b, elsewhere 0. Okay, this is a property of the delta function. Okay, next property, fourth property of the delta function is delta of x is always 0 for all x not equal to 0. Okay, this is a fourth property of the delta function. Okay, next property we will study in next lecture. Thank you.